Sindh College Lectures YouTube channel. College Education Department, Government of Sindh. Subject Biology, Botany, Part 1. Chapter number 13, Gaseous Exchange. Lecture number 6. Lecture by Mr. Aamer Zareen, presently appointed at NUSRAT BHUTTO Government Degree Boys College, LYARI, Karachi. The topic is respiration. We can define respiration as it is an important metabolic activity, and we can also define this that exchange of gases between body fluid and outside medium, that is air medium and water medium. Levels of respiration. There are two levels of respiration. Number one, organismic level, that is external respiration, breathing or ventilation. Number two, cellular level. It is also called internal respiration or tissues respiration. The term is breathing. What do you mean by breathing? We can define breathing a process in which fresh air containing more oxygen is pumped into lungs and air with more carbon dioxide is pumped out of lungs. Cellular respiration or internal respiration. We can define or we can explain cellular respiration as a process in which cell utilizes oxygen, extract and conserve the energy from the food molecule in the useful biological form as a ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Carbon dioxide is produced as raw material. The cellular respiration is directly involved in the production of energy. All the living or cellular activities are performed by this energy. Some more points about respiration. During organismic respiration, exchange of gases occur only by diffusion. Active transport never occur for the exchange of gases. For exchange of gases, air is suitable medium compared to the water medium. There are some comparative points which tells us that air medium is much better than water medium. Oxygen is higher in air, but oxygen is lower in water. There are 200 ml of oxygen per liter of air, but there are 10 ml of oxygen found per liter of water. Oxygen diffuses more quickly in air medium, but oxygen diffuses more slowly in water medium. Air is not a dense medium, but water is 8,000 times dense than air medium. Air is not a viscous medium, but water is 50 times viscous medium than air. Now the topic is gaseous exchange in plants. In higher animals there are special organs or system which serve for the exchange of gases. But in plants there are not such organs or system to serve for exchange of gases. Every plant cell carries out exchange of gases according to their needs. The transport system in plants, that is xylem and phloem, which are also called vascular bundles, does not serve for the exchange of gases. Let's study exchange of gases in plants in details. So exchange of gases occurs in different parts of plants, as first of all we discuss about the exchange of gases in leaves, that is in stomata, because stomatas are found on the leaf surface. Land plants get carbon dioxide from air by stomata. Stomata are the main site of exchange of gases in plants. Stomata are largely present on leaves and on young stems. For example, there are about 12,000 stomata per square meter on the leaf surface of the tobacco plant. Air spaces. These are intercellular spaces between mesophyll cells. These are spaces which are directly involved in gaseous exchange. Air spaces are similar to the honeycomb. Air spaces cover 40% of the total leaf volume. Exchange of gases in stem. The young stem is green and has stomata throughout, which gaseous exchange take place. In the older stem, there's a cork tissues which are formed of dead cells. The cork tissues have special pores called lenticels, which are involved in gaseous exchange. Mesophyll cells. These cells surround the intercellular spaces. Mesophyll cells are specialized for photosynthesis, and as you all know that photosynthesis is a vital process by which carbohydrates are produced by raw material carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, and carbohydrates are produced and the oxygen gas is evolved. So mesophyll cells are thin walled and moist. The exchange of gases takes place through moist surface of the mesophyll cells. The exchange of gases in roots. The roots of the plants get their oxygen from the air present in the soil particles. So it was all about the topic respiration, its definition, level of respiration, that is organismic level or organismic respiration, and cellular respiration. Then the topic was air and water medium, exchange of gases in plants, and the study of different parts of the plants in which gaseous exchange is take place, that is in leaves, air spaces, in stomata, in mesophyll cells, and in roots. So I hope you will get benefit of this lecture, which was related to the respiration. Take care and bye.